want to scale your business, okay? This is what every info owner want. He want to scale his business. He want to just go from the the bottleneck that he is currently with and in and on to scale to how much can I say? 150 grand a month. Okay. So basically you look at the big gurus in the space, Iman Gadzhi, Andrew Tate, Andy Elote, Alex Ramosi, um, who's selling more info courses, um, and all that big names. And you've seen them from documentary their process from 30, 40 grand a month up to millions a month. Okay. And you want to scale. So basically, this is a simple thing, but you just need to find the right funnel from the traffic. Okay. So from traffic to to the profit made. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. So first thing first, it's a five, four processes. Here is the cache. Okay. So it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is five. Okay. So traffic, interesting leads, VSL page offer to call to action, booking appointments, and money. But there is another funnel, which is if they don't trust you and they don't know you well, because there is a, I think it's a research that made in 2023 that if someone want to buy from you, they want to trust you. And now if they want to trust you, they need a full 8 hours of listening to your information, listening to your knowledge. So if you're selling how to course, okay, how to scale your agency, how to monetize your YouTube channel, how to um, making more money online. They need 8 full hours of listening to your knowledge of how they can trust you or not. Okay, so basically, this is the funnel from here, from the traffic to the booking appointments before the sales. You need to strategize your business, strategize your traffic process, your marketing, your show up from the audience of full 8 hours. Nowadays, you open a YouTube and you see full 22 hour course, full 18 hour course, full 7 hour course, full 6 hour course. Okay, so basically, this is why they making money. If you notice that Iman Gadzhi, every single time he want to make big sales, he do it 3 to 5 times per year. Every single time he want to sell his agency accelerator, digital launchpad, now the 8-figure license, which is currently he's struggling with. I know a lot of stuff. Okay, so he's making an event, 3 to 4 episodes of event, and before that event, you go all in into short form content, social media. You see more TikTok. Let's say TikTok. You're seeing more than 400 piece of content, which is of total average 20 hours. The same on IG of his um, affiliate accounts. So those hours lead to the main event, which is the 3 4 time episodes events with a Netflix style. and he started the first episode with over 500,000 interesting prospect, and the last one is only 30,000. Okay, this is important because I have something called trust graph. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, you cut it for 3 phases. So this is phase 1. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is phase 1, which is cold. This is 2, which is warm, and this is 3, hot. Okay, so the first episode, all of the prospects, 500,000 prospect, 500,000 views, all into the cold phase in the trust graph. Okay, so the more you go down deep on the trust graph, which is I have full funnel, and every single client buy my trust graph 42-step system. He's increasing his sales immediately from 10, 20, 30,000. This is the average people who are coming, buying from me. People who's making with their info business 10, 20, 30, maybe 50 grand a month. Immediately, in the first 24 hours, 10 grand on cash, 20 grand. Maybe after 3-4 months from now, because I launched it 42 days ago, this agency, and all the offers in the program inside of it. Maybe after 3, 4, 5 months ago, yeah, from now on, they will million a month their business. Okay, so you need those 8 hours with your views just to lead them into the trust graph. So 8 hours, the first 8 hours they are cold. Then if they continue to watch their stuff, they're warm, they're interested in your product, in your knowledge. And if they continue, they're hot. And if you are retargeting them with a retargeting them with a retarget ads, those the hot leads and prospects, your retargeting ads will pop up in front of them 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 times. Okay, and they will take the action. What happened? Okay, so they will take the action here. And when they are taking the action, you are from traffic to interested to VSL page. Now they are hot. Okay, they are inside your VSL page or landing page or take action page. You're offering them to book appointments, to buy your school ticket, and everything. And here is my system. Okay, so I can show you. Okay, you can take it because it's a simple processes, but you need my consultant with this. Okay, so basically this is it. This is how you can at least 90K a month your business. Okay, and I swear to God, I just built this funnel, this Mario process to film this video. Okay, so this is the thing you need: traffic, interested, value of views, go and retargeting them with the retarget ads, more time of watching, close interested to the VSL page, all traffic of ICP, which is the ideal customer profile, going to the VSL page offer to book a call. If they don't, you continue. If they book, interested booking call, book appointment strategy that I have a full show up in sales close and close rate strategy with my 32-step system that can increase your sales and show up with over a 68%. So if they don't take the action from here, they want more trust, okay, more hours, more going deep down with the trust graph, okay? So you can offer them a low ticket community, because if they pay the low ticket community, which is right now I'm doing it, okay? I'm building my personal brand. I'm fresh on building the personal brand. So I'm leading you to buy my $40 community. $40 community, you will pay attention because you pay $40. At least you're gonna hear my voice, okay, while I'm providing there. So yeah, they will pay attention of your value there. And if they take action to the low ticket community, they will pay attention to the value that you dropping there. Okay, after this, leading to community value and strategy, you should have a strategy inside the community. Trust and more authentic value in content and knowledge and information offered to book a call, to have a 45-60 minute friendly, lovely, fun call, which is a demo sales call. Call show up, sales call, presentation to the high ticket, and close and increase close rate. And this is how you can make the dollar made. Okay, so basically it's like this. If you go into my 47-ish community, which is, I don't care if you pay it or not, I'm making thousands and hundreds of thousands of high tickets. So basically you just go there, you're interested with my knowledge, okay? If you didn't like it, cancel your subscription. Full money back guarantee, right? It's a legal stuff, legal processes. So you go there, you spend those $47, and then you start hearing my value, my knowledge. You trust more. And the 47 community is not gonna make you rich and not gonna scale your business. It just, I want you to pay attention. Then okay, you are right now in point A. You're 10, 30, 20, 30, maybe 50K a month your business. And your dream business and dream lifestyle is a 300K a month with the Porsche or a Ferrari A12 competition, and this lifestyle and that lifestyle, and living in the Palm in Dubai, okay? And you are just motivate from the value and knowledge that I'm dropping there and providing there in the community. Book a call because you pay attention of what I'm saying in the 47 or $40 community, which is, I don't care if you paid it or not. I'm just dropping value there. That's it. Okay? And I'm real. Okay, I'm real. I'm not gonna scam you, and I don't like scams. And I'm saying all my my steps. Okay? Book a call. You're not hot. You're fucking hot. You're in the deepest point of the trust graph. You want to buy. You want to hire me to scale your business. So the call to action of this video, first thing first, subscribe, share this video. If you're an info business owner, course sellers, agency, community, whatever you want to scale, okay, you want my knowledge, just go and buy my 40 or 47 or whatever community dollar, which is, I don't care if you pay it or not. I just providing value there. So just buy from me and hear my knowledge, listen to my knowledge, and listen to the information that I will give you from only one system that I've created by my own. Then, if you want to scale, we have another conversation. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe, comment, because the algorithm, that stuff. And I see you in the community. Bye.